First, we need to open our Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. We use this to operate Linux server and to stimulate the networks and devices. So there are two Debians, one is for server and one is for client. Now click at the Debian server, go to settings, go to network. For the Debian server, we need to choose adapter 1 and adapter 2. As for adapter 1, click anything. Alright, for adapter 2, we choose internal network for attached to, click advanced, and we choose allow VMS for promiscuous mode. That's all for the Debian server and click OK. Now for the Debian client, go to settings, go to network, and for the Debian client we only choose adapter 1. Enable network adapter, we choose internal network, click advanced, and we allow VMS for promiscuous mode. Click OK. That's all for the Debian client. Well, we are done with part 1. Thank you.
In part 2, I'll be showing how to connect using static IP address between server and client. In static IP address, we will manually assign IP address for client and server. To connect client to server, we need to get ready with Debian server and Debian client. As you can see, I am setting up Debian server. We need to wait for it to run. Now we need to log in with our password. Next, we need to go to activities and search for terminal and click it. Now we need to do the same steps with Debian client. After the setup, we need to go to Debian client and we need to type and run this command to modify network configuration. Then we need to enter the password. Later on, this will be shown in our display, but for those who are doing this for the first time, this line will not be there, so you need to type this line to modify the configuration. Then we just need to click Ctrl and X to exit. Now I will be restarting the Debian client so that the IP configuration will be applied. Now I'm gonna go to Debian server and type and run this command to modify network configuration. We need to enter our password and then again we can see this in our display, and first time we need to type this line to modify the configuration. Then we just proceed by clicking Ctrl X to exit this display. Before we exit, we need to make sure the network is connected, then we can restart it. To test the connectivity between server and client, we need to go to the Debian client, then to the terminal to run this command. We can see the output option below, and to stop this we need to press Ctrl and C. There is 0% packet loss, so the ping is successfully connected. Now we need to check if the Debian server is connected to the internet. So I'm going to open Firefox and we can browse any website, and I will be using YouTube to browse. As you can see, we can use YouTube without any error. So that's all for part 2. Thank you.